This is my new air purifier. I had bought one for my bedroom and I liked it, so I bought a bigger one for my living room. It works very well in the bedroom so far, so we're gonna see how this one works. The filter is at the bottom of it. You unscrew that and you take the filter out. Now when you get it, make sure you open it up and take the plastic off the filter. It comes in a plastic wrap. The top is your power button. It is very sensitive. Turns on this cute little night light at the top. These are your speeds for your fan. You cannot hear it. You can feel it, but you cannot hear it very well. I mean, that's quiet compared to the one I've used to have. This is your sleep button. And if you hold this down, that is your lock button, so the child cannot come and turn it on or off or anything like that. You can feel it blowing and you can feel it sucking. Very nifty little thing. I think it'll do the job. It covers 450 square feet. My living room is a 400 square foot living room. The one in my bedroom is smaller. It is for a, I think it's 100 square foot. So, yeah. Thank y'all for watching.